Luxury cars are amazing until the warranty runs out. That's when repairs get expensive, electronics glitch, and small problems turn into big bills. But not all high-end cars fall apart. Some are built to last. In this video, we're counting down 10 of the most reliable luxury cars to own after the warranty ends. Let's dive in. Number 10. Porsche Macan, a reliable performance SUV. The Porsche Macan might surprise you. Porsche is known for speed and handling, but not usually for long-term durability. The Macan changes that. This small luxury SUV combines Porsche driving feel with actual reliability. The GTS and turbo models use a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 that makes up to 435 horsepower. The Macan S features a strong 3.0-liter turbo V6, and even the base 2.0-liter Turbo 4 is dependable thanks to Porsche's strict quality standards. And it doesn't just drive well, it holds up. The PDK dual-clutch transmission shifts lightning fast and has proven to be one of the most durable gearboxes in the segment. Even with spirited driving, it keeps going strong. Sure, early models had some issues, like water pump leaks and transfer case wear, but those problems are far less common now, especially in newer builds. Owners who follow routine maintenance sail past 150,000 miles without major repairs. Also, these SUVs hold their value incredibly well. That's a sign that people not only want them, but trust them. Number 9. Lexus RX 350, the comfortable tank. The Lexus RX 350 doesn't just last a long time, it redefines what long-lasting means for a luxury SUV. It's powered by a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6, an engine with a legendary reputation for durability. No turbochargers, no direct injection stress, just simple, proven engineering. Newer models pair this engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission that's both smooth and dependable. And the result? Some RX 350s have racked up over 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance like oil changes, filters, and tires. Yes, the RX isn't thrilling to drive. It's built more for comfort than cornering. Some people also mention minor squeaks from the dashboard or slow infotainment systems. But when it comes to mechanical reliability, it's almost unbeatable. One thing to avoid, the 2010 to 2012 models, which had issues with excessive oil consumption. Later models fixed this and became some of the most reliable SUVs on the road. There's a reason RXs keep their resale value so well. Nobody wants to give them up. Number 8. BMW 440i, a turbo BMW that won't bite back. BMW doesn't always make the most reliable engines, but they nailed it with the 440i. This sleek coupe, also available as a sedan and convertible, is powered by the B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6. This engine is so well built that Toyota borrowed it for the new Supra. That's high praise. It puts out about 320 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque, making the 440i quick without being fragile. It's paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic, one of the most trusted transmissions in the industry. The older N54 and N55 BMW engines were infamous for high-pressure fuel pump failures, leaky valve covers, and failing water pumps. But the 440i avoids most of that. It's more modern, better engineered, and significantly less prone to drama. The only recurring issues? Some owners mention carbon buildup in direct injection engines and occasional fuel pump replacements, but these are rare and much less expensive to address. Avoid the 430i if you're shopping used. That one uses a less reliable 4-cylinder with timing chain and oil burning issues. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, a return to Mercedes roots. The Mercedes-Benz W212 E-Class is one of those cars that reminds people why Mercedes used to be called over-engineered. Built from 2010 to 2016, the W212 offers a range of engines, including a 3.5-liter V6, the dependable OM642 diesel V6, and even the powerful E550 V8. The late-model V6 M276 versions are especially good, offering over 300 horsepower with long-term reliability. Older E-Class models like the W211 were riddled with electrical bugs, rust issues, and air suspension failures. But the W212 fixed most of that, especially after 2012. Early models still had some hiccups, like timing chain stretch and quirky transmission software. But Mercedes improved the drivetrain quickly, and newer models are extremely dependable. With fewer complex electronics than current E-classes, the W212 feels like the last of the true, durable Mercedes sedans. A properly maintained one can go well beyond 200,000 miles with comfort and class. Number 6. Audi S4 B8/B8.5. Power without the pain. The Audi S4 isn't just a sleeper performance sedan, it's also one of Audi's most reliable recent models. Between 2010 and 2016, Audi fitted the S4 with a 3.0-liter supercharged V6, which delivers 335 horsepower and solid low-end torque. It's not just fast, it's dependable. Older Audi engines were notorious for turbo issues, oil burning, and high repair costs. This supercharged engine avoids most of those problems and has proven to be far more robust. You can find these cars with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Manuals are less expensive to maintain, but the automatic performs great. Just make sure it's been serviced. Common issues include thermostat problems, carbon buildup in the intake system, and occasional mechatronic failures in the automatic. But all are manageable and relatively minor for a performance car. Add in Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, and you've got a sedan that's fast, reliable, and usable year-round. Number 5. BMW X5 xDrive 40i. Finally, a trustworthy BMW SUV. The BMW X5 used to be the SUV that looked great on paper, but was terrifying once the warranty ran out. Not anymore. The xDrive 40i model, powered by the B58 3.0-liter turbo inline-6, delivers 335 horsepower, strong torque, and much-needed peace of mind. This same engine is shared across many newer BMW models, and it's earned a strong reputation for long-term durability. It's paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic, another winner in the reliability department. Earlier generations of the X5 had all sorts of problems, from air suspension failures to unreliable V8s. But this generation, especially the 40i, is different. You should still keep an eye on the electronics. BMW is still BMW, and air suspension components can wear out eventually. But mechanically, the X5 xDrive 40i is one of the best all-around luxury SUVs BMW has ever made. Number 4. Porsche 911, 997, and 991, a sports car that goes the distance. The Porsche 911 is one of the only true performance cars that can be driven every day, and kept for decades. The 997th and 991st generations are the best picks for long-term reliability. These models come with 3.6-liter or 3.8-liter flat-six engines, producing up to 445 horsepower. And unlike earlier generations, they no longer suffer from IMS-bearing failures. The PDK dual-clutch transmission in these cars is a masterpiece. It shifts faster than most drivers can, and it's incredibly durable, even when pushed hard on the track. Maintenance isn't cheap, but the 911 rarely suffers from serious mechanical issues. Some owners mention rear main seal leaks or carbon buildup in direct injection models, but these are minor compared to what you'd face with similarly priced exotics. And thanks to its reputation, the 911 holds value better than nearly any other luxury sports car on the road. Number 3. Lexus GX 460, tougher than it looks. The Lexus GX 460 might look like a luxury SUV, but underneath it's built like a tank. It shares its platform with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, which is used all over the world in extreme conditions. Under the hood, you get a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 that produces 300 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque. No turbo, no fancy hybrid, just raw, time-tested durability. Sure, it only gets about 16 miles per gallon, and the infotainment system feels outdated. But the GX is so durable that over 11% of owners keep theirs for more than 15 years. That's almost unheard of in the luxury world. This SUV is perfect for families, off-roaders, or anyone who wants a vehicle that will outlast nearly everything else on the road. Number 2. The Acura MDX, luxury you can count on. The Acura MDX blends Honda's engineering with upscale features, and the result is one of the most reliable three-row luxury SUVs out there. It's powered by a 3.5-liter J35 V6, an engine that's been used in everything from Accords to Pilots. It's built to last well over 250,000 miles, and parts are affordable compared to German rivals. The MDX also comes with super handling all-wheel drive, which adds both safety and cornering ability. There were some complaints about rough shifting in the 9-speed automatic used from 2016 to 2019, but Acura updated the transmission software, and newer models perform much better. If you want an SUV with enough space for the family and low maintenance costs, the MDX should be at the top of your list. Number 1. Lexus GS 350. Buy it once, keep it forever. At the very top of our list is the Lexus GS 350, a luxury sedan so well built, owners often keep it for over a decade. This car uses a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6, making 310 horsepower and delivering buttery smooth power through an 8-speed automatic in rear-wheel drive models or a 6-speed in all-wheel drive versions. There's no turbo to fail, no high-strain hybrid system, just pure, dependable performance. Most GS 350s easily cross 300,000 miles with minimal repairs. The only real complaints are dated infotainment and some suspension wear at high mileage. But mechanically, it's almost bulletproof. Sadly, Lexus stopped making the GS in 2020, but demand for used models stays high. This car proves that luxury and long-term value can go together. So, there you have it. 10 luxury vehicles you can actually trust long after the warranty expires. Whether you're buying your first luxury ride or replacing a worn-out daily driver, these cars prove that not all high-end vehicles are money pits. Some are rock-solid, built to last, and smart to own. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, and subscribe for more videos like these. If you have an out-of-warranty luxury vehicle that's kept up really well over the years, leave a comment and tell us about it.